Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Alan made a request in the comments for Williams-Sonoma. Thank you, Alan, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $8.6 billion, Williams-Sonoma is a S&P 500 company within the specialty retail industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 10.2%. Earnings growth, 34%. Earnings estimates, 4.25%. Return on capital, 21.24%. Debt to free cash flow, 1.12 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.52%. Payout ratio, 17.44%. Growth rate, 13.21%. Growth years, 15 years. That gives Williams-Sonoma 9 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, Williams-Sonoma is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 48.7% compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on Williams-Sonoma in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.